ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्वजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। वागर्ताविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगदपितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं चक्रवाटी ध्रुवमभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽह्यं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशीविभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടും ഇറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മഞ്ഞാനെ കുമ്പിടേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. ஓகே, ஸோ இன்னைக்கு So we go to rehearse 16, right? Let me think who it was. Lakshmi, you'll be able to chant today. 16.
Yes, Rajesh.
16. So Ninga, you do 16, and then Janaki, you'll be able to do 16.
Sorry, no, I have not practiced.
Satya, okay,
I
Satya.
can do it. Okay.
Oh no, I was going to Satya and Janaki. I wanted to pick today. I was going to pick Satya for the class. Satya, you can do 16, and Janaki, you will be able to follow me for the other chapter, right? Today.
Yes.
Okay. So Janaki and Kashyap will do that. Okay. So Lakshmi, you want to go first?
Okay. Kekarda Rajesh.
Kekarda.
दक्षो विरिञ्च तनयोऽथ मनोस्तनूजां लब्ध्वा प्रसूतिमिह षोडशचापकन्याः धर्मे त्रयोदश ददौ पितृषु स्वदां च स्वाहां हविर्भुजि सतीं गिरिश्चे त्वदंशे मूर्तिर्हि धर्मगृहिणी सुषुवे भवन्तं नारायणं नरसखं महितानुभावम् यज्जन्मनि प्रमुदिता कृततूर्यघोषाः पुष्पोत्करान् प्रववृषुर्नुनुवुः सुरौगाः दैत्यं सहस्रकवचं कवचैपरीतं साहस्रवत्सरतपःसमराभिलव्यैः पर्यायनिर्मिततपःसमरौ भवन्तौ शिष्टैककङ्कटममुं न्यहतां सलीलम् अन्वाचरन्नुपदिशन्नपि मोक्षधर्मं त्वं भ्रातृमान् भदरिकाश्रममध्यवात्सीः शक्रोधते शमतपोबलनिस्सहात्मा दिव्याङ्गना परिवृतं प्रजिघायमारं कामो वसन्तमलया नीलबन्धुशाली कान्ताकटाक्षविशिखैर्विकसद्विलासैः विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुर्रकम्पमुदीक्ष्य च त्वां पीतस्त्वयाथ जगते मृदुहासभाजा भीत्यालमङ्गज वसन्तसुराङ्गनावो मन्मानसन्त्विह जुषध्वमिति ब्रुवाणः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवतामतेषां प्रादर्शयस्व परिचारककातराक्षीः सम्मोहनाय मिलिता मदनादयस्ते त्वद्दासिका परिमलै किल मोहमापुः दत्तां त्वया च जगृस्त्रपयैव सर्वस्वर्वासि गर्वशमनीं पुनरुर्वशीं त्वाम् दृष्ट्वो वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन् महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीय तारवतारात्
एवं प्रशान्तरमणीय थरावतारात् तरा
ओके एवं प्रशान्तरमणीय तरावतारात् त्वत्तोऽधिको वरद कृष्णतनुस्त्वमेव दक्षस्तु धातुरति लालनयारजोन्तो नात्यादृतस्त्वयि च कष्टमशान्तिरासीत् येन व्यरुन्धस भवत्तनुमेव शर्वम् यज्ञे च वैरपिशुने स्वसुतां व्यमानीत् क्रुद्धेशमर्दितमकः सतु कृत्तशीर्षो देवप्रसादितहरादतलब्धजीवः त्वत्पूरितक्रतुवरः पुनरापशान्तिं सत्त्वं प्रशान्तिकर पाहि मरुत्पुरेश
दक्षो विरिञ्च तनयोत मनोस्तनूजां लब्ध्वा प्रसूतिम् इह षोडश चापकन्याः धर्मे त्रयोदश ददौ पितृषु स्वदां च स्वाहां हविर्भुजि सतीं गिरिशे त्वदंशे मूर्तिर्हि धर्मगृहिणी सुशिवे भवन्तं नारायणं नरसकं महितानुभावम् यज्जन्मनि प्रमुदिता कृततूर्यघोषाः पुष्पोत्करान् प्रववृषुर्नुनुवुः सुरौगाः दैत्यं सहस्रकवचं कवचैः परीतं सहस्रवत्सरतपःसमराविलव्यैः पर्याय निर्मिततपःसमरौ भवन्तौ शिष्टैककङ्कटममुं न्यहतां सलीलम् अन्वाचरन्नुपदिशन्नपि मोक्षधर्मं त्वं भ्रातृमान् बदरिकाश्रममद्य वात्सीः शक्रोत ते शमतपोबलन्निस्सहात्मा दिव्याङ्गना परिवृतं प्रचिगायमारम् कामो वसन्तमलयानिलबन्धुशाली कान्ताकटाक्षविशिकैर्विकसद्विलासैः विन्द्यन्मुहुर्मुहुरकम्पौदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीतस्त्वया त जगते मृदुहासबाजा
Satya, third line is Vidyan, not Vindyan.
Oh, Vindyan chalena. विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुरकपम् उदीक्ष्य च त्वां भीतस्त्वया त जगते मृदुहासबाजा.
And the third line திரும்பி சொல்லு. Vidyan muhur akampam udikshya chatvam.
Okay. विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुरकपम् उदीक्ष्य च त्वां.
Akampam. Kampam.
नाकपम ने ना.
Akapam prince. Kampam.
विद्यन्मुहुर्मुहुरकम्पम् उदीक्ष्य च त्वां.
Correct.
भीतस्त्वया त जगते मृदुहासबाजा. भीत्यालमङ्गज वसन्त सुराङ्गनावो मन्मानसं त्विह दुषद्वमिति ब्रुवानः त्वं विस्मयेन परितस्तुवताम् अतैषां प्रादर्शयस्व परिचारककातराक्षीः सम्मोहनाय मिलिता मदनादयस्ते त्वद्दासिका परिमलै किल मोहमापुः दत्तां त्वया च जगृहुस्त्रपयैव सर्वस्वर्वासि गर्भशमनीं पुनरूर्वशीतां दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च दृष्ट्वोर्वशीं तव कथां च निशम्य शक्रः पर्याकुलो जनिभवन्महिमावमर्शात् एवं प्रशान्तरमणीयतरावतारात् त्वत्तोदिको वरद कृष्णतनुस्त्वमेव दक्षस्तु धातुरतिलालनयरजोन्दो नात्यादृतस्त्वयि च कष्टमशान्तिरासीत् येन व्यरुन्धस भवत्तनुमेव शर्वम् यज्ञे च वैरपिशुने स्वसुतां व्यमानीत् क्रुद्धेशमर्दितमकः सतु कृत्तशीर्षो देवप्रसादितहरादतलब्धजीवः त्वत्पूरितक्रतुवरः पुनरापशान्तिं सत्वं प्रशान्तिकर पाहि मरुत्पुरेश.
Good. Okay, let's go to 21. So 21, I think last we did the first 3 stanzas. So let's, I'll say the 3 stanzas and let's just cover the meaning of it. And then we'll get to the rest of the class. So, and I sent a couple of images, right? So in the, when you think of Jambu Dvipa, right? Bhagavatatla, if you actually look at the way it is described, it is something which is totally different from how people typically envision. But the rest of the scripts that followed have a different image of how these things are laid out. So the images I sent were more of latter things, how they were describing this. But Bhagavatatla original description prakaram pata, we don't know what is what. because the way they are describing is that Bhumandala is like about the earth, the sun in the earth, varaikkum distance, a radius of which if you draw a circle, everything that comes inside that, they're calling it as Bhumandala. And then Jambu Dvipa is a combination of earth and several other planets which are inhabited, which people can live in. People, so that's what they call Jambu Dvipa. So they have a whole bunch of descriptions of what all are Jambu Dvipa. But in the Prachana, but the rest of the things that come in this, it's not clear. So I don't know what is, but in the chapter also, the way it starts, Madhyodbhave, it starts in the middle of the earth. So the way Bhattacharya is describing at least is matching with the images I sent you all, right? But when you actually look at the original Bhagavatam thing, it looks different. So I don't know, something doesn't make sense, but I just wanted to give that context in case somebody tells you, hey, Jambu Dvipa is more than whole bunch of planets, it's possible. Okay, so anyway, so first stanza. Madhyodbhave bhuvailavritanamni varshe Gauri pradhana vanita janamatra bhaji Sharvena mantranutibis samupasyamanam Sankarshanatmakamadishvara samshraye tvam. So in the geography, it first starts. It says in the middle of the earth, whether you lay it out flat or however, in the middle of the earth is a place called Ilavrita. Ilavrita is the name of the place where Gauri Pradhanam, where the people worship Gauri as the main deity in that thing. And then it is primarily inhabited Pradhana Vanitajan. It's most of the people there are women and they have Gauri as their chief. And like I said last time, is each of this paragraph, but it's like telling in the 98th chapter, Mari, I pray to you, I pray to you. Mari, every stanza is I pray to you in that form, right? So here, Bhattacharya says, Samshrayatvam, I pray to you, who is in the form of Sankarshana. Sankarshana, if you go check who is Sankarshana, this is a conversation, it could like Balarama or Adishesha, right? So Adishesha is, that's how Bhagavata Purana, they describe Adishesha as Sankarshana. So here Bhattacharya says, I worship you Sankarshanatmana, in the form of Sankarshana, and who is not just me, right? Even Sharvena Mantran Nutibe, even Lord Shiva is worshipping you in that form of Sankarshana, which is that Adishesha or Balarama form in this region called Ilavrita. That is stanza 1. So that is in the middle. Next year. Bhadrashvanamaka Ilavrita Purva Varshe Bhadrashravobhirishabeh Parinuyamanam Kalpanta Ghuda Nigamodharana Pravinam Dhyayami Deva Hayashi Shatanum Bhavantam. So now it goes to the region which is east of Ilavrita. The east of Ilavrita is a region named as Bhadrashrava. So in that region of Bhadrashrava, I meditate on you, Dhyayami, I meditate on you, Hayashirsha Tanum Bhavantam. So I meditate on you, O Lord, who was taken the form of Hayagriva, right? Hayashirsha, Hayagriva. Hayashirsha is the person who has head. Shirsha as Haya. Haya is a horse, so it is Hayagriva. And then Kalpanta Guda Nigamo Dharana Pravinam. So when the end of the Kalpa happens, the Lord comes in front of as in the form of Hayagriva and rescues the Vedas out. So that Lord Hayagriva, who came at the end of the Kalpa to rescue the Vedas, I am praying to you. And then also in that place, Bhadrashravobi Rishibihi. So the rishis who are in that place called Bhadrashrava are called Bhadrashravaras. That's the name of the rishis who are there. And they also worship you in the form of Hayagriva. And I bow to that Lord who is in the form of Hayagriva. That is stanza 2. Stanza 3. Dhyayami dakshinagate harivarsha varshe prahlada mukya purushai parishevyyamanam uttunga shanta davala kritimeka shuddha jnana pradam naraharim bhagavan bhavantam. So now after going east, then you're coming south. So to the south of Ilavrita is this place called Harivarsha. So in that Harivarsha, I am meditating on your form as Narahari. Remember in the previous chapter, we learned about Naranarayana. So in the Narahari form, I'm worshipping you. But again, not just me, it's also, you're also worshipped by Prahlada Mukhya Purusha. Not just Prahlada, but also other important people in that region also worship you in the form of Narahari. And this Narahari is Uttunga Shanta Dhavala. So Uttunga is tall, Shanta is calm, Dhavala is white color. So Uttunga Shanta Daula, so tall, calm, and white in color. So we all worship you. And Jnana Pradam, who now bestows the highest knowledge. So on that Lord, I am meditating. That is the form of Narahari or Narayana, right? That is that form here. So it is said it's white color because general Narayana, Krishna, it is dark, right? But in that, the Narahari, they're saying is white color. I don't know why. So stanza 4. So we'll go to the class now. Varshe pratichi lalitatmani ketu madhe लीला विशेष ललित स्मित शोभनांगम लक्ष्म्या प्रजापति सुतैश्च निषेव्यमानं तस्याः प्रियाय धृत कामतनुं भजे त्वाम्. So again with Ilavrita as the center, right? We went to the east, we went to the south, now to the west of Ilavrita. So Lalitatmani, Lalita is beautiful. Lalitatmani in a very beautiful place called Ketumala. So in that Ketumala, Tasya Priyaya, for your beloved, right? So for your beloved Lakshmi, for her purpose, Dhrita Kamatanu, you have taken the form of Kamadeva, because that's what your wife prefers. So for Lakshmi, you've taken the form of Kamadeva. So Leela, next in that form of yours, right? You have a Shobhanangam. You have a very bright or shining form of yours. So you are worshipped by Lakshmi, as well as Prajapati Sutaihi. All the sons of Prajapati and everybody worship you in that form of Kamadeva in that region of Ketumala. So to that person, Bhaje Tvam, I also worship that Lord. Okay, so stanza 4. So Janaki, you'll go first, and then Kashyap, you can go second.
Okay.
So Varshe Pratichi Lalitatmani Ketumale, comma, Leela Vishesha Lalitha Smita Shobhanangam. It's one line. You can break it as Leela Vishesha Lalita Smita Shobhanangam.
Rajesh, is it Lalita or Lesita? Leela Vishesha Lesita Smita Shobhanangam.
Yeah, I have it as Lalita only. Let me check the other book. I remember it as Lalita only. Let me check the other.
I have it as Lalita.
Yeah, let me check what the other book says. Yeah, Lalita, Janaki, sorry, I don't know who was asking, Priya or Janaki, but
Yeah, I was.
Priya, yeah. So it just change. Can you change it to Lalita, because all the books said Lalita. Okay.
Okay.
Third line, Lakshmiya Prajapati Sutaischa Nishevyamanam, comma. Then it's Tasyaha, right? So you can put a F there because the Priyaya starts. So Tasya Priyaya Dhrita Kama Thanum Bhajetvam. So Varshe Pratichi Lalitatmani Ketumale Leela Vishesha Lalita Smita Shobhanangam Lakshmya Prajapati Suthaischa Nishevyamanam Tasyah Priyaya Dhrita Kamatanum Bhajetvam.
Varshe Pratichi Lalitatmani Ketumale Leela Vishesha Lalita Smita Shobhanangam Lakshmya Prajapati Sudaischa Nishevyamanam Tasya Priyaya Dhrita Kamadanum Bhajetvam. It's okay?
Yeah, correct.
Varshe Pratichi Lalitatmani
Pratichi.
Okay. Varshe Pratichi Lalitatmani Ketumale Leela Vishesha Lalita Smita Shobhanangam Lakshmya Prajapati Sudaischa Nishevyamanam Tasya Priyaya Dhrida Kamadanum Bhajetvam.
Varshe Pratichi Lalitatmani Ketumale Leela Vishesha Lalita Smita Shobhanangam Lakshmya Prajapati Sutaischa Nishevyamanam Tasya Priyaya Dhrita Kamatanum Bhajetvam. वर्षे प्रतीचि ललितात्मनि केतुमाले लीला विशेष ललितस्मित शोभनांगम लक्ष्म्या प्रजापति सुतैश्च निषेव्यमानं तस्तस्या प्रियाय विदितां भजे त्वाम्.
Stanza 5. रम्ये ह्युदीचि खलु रम्यकनाम्नि वर्षे तद्वर्षनाथमनुवर्य सपर्यमानं भक्तैकवत्सलममत्सरहृत्सुभान्तं मत्स्याकृतिं भुवननाथ भजे भवन्तम्. So now in the region which is north of Ilavrita is a region called Ramyaka Namni Varshe, Udichi direction. So in that region you are worshipped by Tad Varshanatha Manuvarya, by the ruler of that region, who is the Manu is the ruler of that region, and he worships you in the form of Matsya Kritam, in the fish form. So in the Matsya Avataram's form, so you are worshipped in the form of a fish. So O Lord, Bhaje Bhavantam, I worship you, Bhakta Eka Vatsalam. So one who is kind of, very kind, Vatsalam, very kind to his devotees, that Lord, Amatsara Hritsubantam, who shines in the heart of everybody, to that Lord who is in the form of a fish, I worship you or I meditate on you. So this is in the region called Ramyaka, which is north of Ilavrita. So Ramye Hyudichi. So it's not a full ha, it is a half ha. So Hyudichi Khalu Ramyaka Namni Varshe, comma, Thad Varsha Nata Manuvarya Saparyamanam. Tad Varsha Nata Manuvarya Saparyamanam. Bhaktaika Vatsalam. So the ma is there, you can break it for convenience. Bhaktaika Vatsalam Amatsara Hritsubantam. Vatsalam Amatsara Hritsubantam, comma, Matsyakritim Bhuvananatha Bhaje Bhavantam. Ramye Hyudichi Kalu Ramyakanamni Varshe Tadvarshanata Manuvarya Saparyamanam Bhaktaika Vatsalama Matsara Hritsubantam Matsyakritim Bhuvananatha Bhaje Bhavantam.
Ramye Pyutichi.
H-Y-U. Think of it as H-Y-U. Hyudichi.
Hyudichi, okay. Ramye Hyudichi Kalu Ramyaka Namni Varshe Tadvarshanata Manuvarya Saparyamanam Bhaktaika Vatsalam Amatsara Hrutsubantam Matyakritim Bhuvananada Bhaje Bhavantam. Ramye Hyudichi Kalu Ramyaka Namni Varshe Tadvarshanata Manuvarya Saparyamanam Bhaktaika Vatsalam Amatsara Hrutsubantam Matsyakritim Bhuvananada Bhaje Bhavantam.
Ramye Hyudichi Kalu Ramyakanamni Varshe Tadvarshanata Manuvarya Saparyamanam Bhaktaika Vatsalam
Kashyap, voice fade Ardra.
Okay. Ramye Hyudichi Kalu Ramyakanamni Varshe Tadvarshanata Manuvarya Saparyamanam Bhaktaika Vatsalam Amatsara Hritsubantam Matsyakritim Bhuvananatha Bhaje Bhavantam. Was that okay?
Yeah.
Rajesh? Sorry, so Ramye Yudichya or Pyudichya?
Ha, Hyudichi.
There's no pa then.
No per.
So it's Ramye?
Half, ha. So H-Y-U. Hyudichi.
Oh, okay, Hyudichi, okay.
After only one comma is there, is it?
Yeah, I mean, it's Ramye Hyudichi Kalu Ramyaka Namni Varshe. I mean, there's no, like, essentially this one, if you have 4 lines or 2 lines in your book, I don't know how you have it. If you have 4 lines. Yeah, 4 lines, it's just like comma is only at the end of every line, nothing in between. Yeah.
Ramye Hyudichi Kalu Ramyakanamni Varshe तद्वर्षनाथमनुवर्य सपर्यमाणं भक्तैकवत्सलममत्सरहृत्सुबान्तं मत्स्याकृतिं भुवननाथ भजे भवन्तम्.
So stanza 6. Varsham hiranmaya samahvayamautaraham asinam adridriti karmatakhamatangam samsevate pitrugana pravaroryamahyam tam twam bhajami bhagavan parachinmayatman. So now Ramyaka was to the north of Ilavrata, even north of Ramyaka, the region known as Hiranmaya. So Hiranmaya is a region to the north of Ramyaka. So there Asinam, so residing there in the form of Karmata. Karmata is a tortoise, right? So residing in the form of tortoise, which is Atidriti Karmata Kamatangam. So that tortoise which was capable of lifting that mountain on its back, right? Kamata Angam. On its back, it was able to lift the Driti, the mountain. So which is the Kurma Avataram, right? So on the Kurma Avataram, that Lord who is in that form, right? I worship, Bhajami Bhagavan, I worship that Lord who is there. And that Lord is also worshipped there by Pitrugana Pravararyama, by the Pitrugana, so the chief called Aryama. He also worships the Lord in that form of tortoise. To that Lord, I worship as well. So this is to kind of worshipping to the Matsya Kurma Avatar. So in the chapter, it pretty much covers Matsya Avataram, Kurma Avataram, Narsimha Avataram. We already played Naranarayana, then Rama Avataram is going to come. So you're kind of praying to all the avatars, right? In this just one chapter, essentially. So Varsham Hiranmaya Samahvaya. So that Samah, again, that's also a half, right? Half. So Samahvaya, Samahvayam Auttaraham, but you can say it together as Samahvayam Auttaraham, which whatever you're comfortable with. And next line, if you have a Masi in Sanskrit, you can remove the Ma, make it Im at the end of the first line. So it's Samahvayam Auttaraham, and then put a comma there, Im. Next line is Asinam, make it A. Asinam Adri Dhrithi Karmata Kamatangam. Asinam Adri Dhrithi Karmata Kamatangam. Samsevate Pitrugana Pravaroryamayam, comma, Tam Twam Bhajami Bhagavan Parachinma Yatman. Varsham Hiranmaya Samahvayamautaraham Asinam Adri Dhriti Karmatakamatangam Samsevate Pitrugana Pravaroryamayam Tam Twam Bhajami Bhagavan Parachinmayatman.
Varsham Hiranyamaya Samah.
Hiranmaya, just only Hiran. Yeah, can you say it again?
Yeah, Varsham Hiranmaya Samahvayam Autaraham Asinam Adridridi Karmataka Kamatangam. Some a lot of words are joined in my book in this. Sorry. Samsevate Pitrugana Pravaroryamayam Tam Twam Bhajami Bhagavan Parachinmayatman.
Correct. But Janaki, just take the way you said, right? You can break it at those places. Asinam, Adri, Dhriti, Karmata, Kamatangam. You can break it there because even in mind it is a full sentence. So it's easy for you that way. Yeah.
Varsham Hiranmaya Samahvayam Autaraham Asinam Adridriti Karmata Kamatangam Samsevate Pitrugana Pravaroryamayam Tam Twam Bhajami Bhagavan Parachinmayatman.
Varsham Hiranmaya Samahvayam Vayamautaraham Asinam Varsham Hiranmaya Samahvayamautaraham आसीनमद्रधृति कर्म तत्तकामताङ्गं
Tala, tha, just a ta.
कर्मतकामटाङ्गं संसेवते पितृगणप्रवरोर्यमायं तं त्वां भजामि भगवन् परचिन्मयात्मन् वर्षं हिरण्मयसमाह्वयम् औत्तराहम् आसीनमद्रिदितिकर्मतकामटाङ्गं संसेवते पितृगणप्रवरोर्यमायं तं त्वां भजामि भगवन् परचिन्मयात्मन्.
And the second line, like Kashyap, adhe mari karmatha kamathangam. Both are just T, okay? No TH. Okay, so just make sure. 7. Kinchotareshu kurusha priyaya dharanyam samsevito mahitamantranuti prabhedaihi damshtragra grishta ghana prishta garishta varshma tvam pahi vigyanuta yajna varaha murte. So now, to the north of Hiranmaya, right, which was already north of Ailavata, north of Hiranmaya, is this land called as Kuru, the Kuru Desham, right, which we know from Mahabharata. So in that Kuru area, you are well worshipped by Priyaya Dharanya. So Dharani is earth. By your Priyaya, by your beloved or by your wife or your consort, which is the earth. And how that is being worshipped is Mantra Nuti Prabhedahi, through various mantras and hymns. And this Lord is worshipped in the form of Yajna Varaha Murti, in the form of Yajna Varaha Murti. So in that Yajna Varaha Murti is worshipped by the consort earth with various mantras and everything. And that Yajna Varaha Murti, Damstrarga Grishta Gana Prishta Gharishta Vashma. So the Yajna Varaha Murti is so big or huge that it's got a huge body, or he's got a huge body, and the tusks which are coming out of the Yajna Varaha Murti are so high that the tusks are touching the clouds. So Ganam, it's touching the clouds. It's that big is the Yajna Varaha Murti. So that Yajna Varaha Murti, Tvam Pahi, I am praying to you and protect me. So, Kinchotareshu Kurushu Priyaya Dharanya, comma, Samsevito Mahita Mantra Nuti Prabhedaihi. Mahita Mantra Nuti Prabhedaihi. Then Damshtragra. Damshtragra. So if you want to write it in English, it will be Damshtragra. Damsh, D-A-M-S-H. Damsh. Tragra. T-R-A-G-R-A. Damshtragra. Okay. Damshtragra is first one part. Grishta is second part. Ghana, Prishta, Garishta, Varshma. Okay. So Damshtragra, Grishta, Ghana, Prishta, Garishta, Varshma, comma, Twampahi, Vignanyuta, Yajna Varaha Murte. Kinchotareshu Kurusha Priyaya Dharanyam Samsevito Mahita Mantra Nuti Prabhedaihi Damshtragra Grishta Ghana Prishta Garishta Varshma Tvam Pahi Vigyanuta Yajna Varaha Murte.
Kinchotreshu Gurushu
Kinchotareshu, there is a half ta and a full ta.
Okay. Kinchotareshu Gurushu Priyaya Dharanya Samsevito Mahita Mantra Nudi Prabhetaihi Tamshtragra Grishta Gana Prishta Garishta Vashma Gana Prishta Garishta Vashma Twampahi Vignanuta Yajnavaraha Murte.
Janaki, and the Gari is like a kutti ri, so Gari, not Gari. Garishta
Vashma. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Okay. Damshtragra Grishta Gana Prishta Garishta Vashma Twampahi Vignanuta Yajnavaraha Murte. Kinchotareshu Gurushu Priyaya Dharanya Samsevito Mahita Mantra Nuti Prabhetaihi Tamshtragra Grishta Gana Prishta Garishta Vashma Twampahi Vignanuta Yajnavaraha Murte.
किं चोत्तरेषु पुरुषप्रिययादरण्या संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः दंश्राग्रगृष्टगणपृष्ठगरिष्ठवरश्मा गृष्टवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुतयज्ञवराहमूर्ते किं चोत्तरेषु पुरुषप्रियया
Kashyap, it's Kimmala. It's a N there, not a M, okay?
Oh, okay. किञ्चोत्तरेषु पुरुषप्रिययादरण्या संसेवितो महितमन्त्रनुतिप्रभेदैः दंश्राग्रगृष्टगणपृष्ठगरिष्ठवर्ष्मा त्वं पाहि विज्ञनुतयज्ञवराहमूर्ते
Garishtha, okay? Garishtha.
So Rajesh, you say it's kin. It's not
Yeah.
Kim.
Yeah, it's not M grade. And the Sanskrit and the Kutti and the
Could is small na?
Nya mari irukkulla one. But C mari, the opposite C. It's that. So it's Kinchotareshu. English follow pandana, English la they might have the transliteration would have converted it to an M by mistake.
Correct.
Yeah.
So this is the same as whatever we have for yajna, right?
No, that is Nya. This is Nya.
Okay.
This is the full thing is Nya, N-Y-A, Nya.
Okay.
But it is half of that, so it's kin. So when you're joining it with cha, it becomes kinchotaresu. So you can generalize it to an N because it's joining with the cha.
Makes sense. Thank you.
8. Yam hyam disham bhajati kim purushakya varshe samsevito hanumatha dhrida bhakti bhaja Sita Birama Paramadbhuta Rupashali Ramatmaka Parilasan Paripahi Vishnu. So now to the south of Ilavrata is a region called Kimpurusha. So in the Kimpurushakya Varshe, region called Kimpurusha, so you are now Samsevitaha, you are worshipped by Hanumata, by Lord Hanuman. So Lord Hanuman is worshipping you. Drida Bhakti Bhaja. So he is like a very firm devotee of you. Right? And so Paripahi, oh protect me, Vishnu. Oh Vishnu, how are you? Ramatmaka Parilasan. You are in the form of Lord Rama, right? In that region, because Hanuman is worshipping, right? You are in the form of Lord Rama and Parama Adbhuta Rupashali. So Bhangra Adbhudam. So like wonderful form, Rupam, right? In the wonderful form of Lord Rama, Sita Virama, that even Sita is also there along with you, and Sita is also now attracted to your form, and Sita is also with you together. So to that Vishnu, I am meditating as well. So is Lord Hanuman. So that is 8. So 9. Shina. Oh, sorry. So Yam Yam Disham Bhajati Kim Purushakya Varshe. Kim Purushakya Varshe. Samsevito Hanumata Drida Bhakti Bhaja Sita Birama Paramadbhuta Rupashali, comma. So Sita Birama Paramadbhuta Rupashali, comma. Ramatmaka, you can put a F there. Ramatmaka Parilasan Paripahi Vishnu. Yam hyam disham bhajati kim purushakya varshe samsevito hanumatha dhrida bhakti bhaja Sita Virama Paramadbhuta Rupashali Ramatmaka Parilasan Paripahi Vishnu.
Yam yam disham bhajati kim purushakya varshe samsevito hanumata drida bhakti bhaja Sita Birama Paramadbhuta Rupashali Ramatmaka Parilashan Paripahi Vishnu. Yam yam disham bhajati kim purushakya varshe samsevito hanumata drida bhakti bhaja Sita Birama Paramadbhuta Rupashali Ramatmaka Parilashan Paripahi Vishnu.
Just one correction, Janaki. It's Parilasan, Sa, not Sha.
Sita Birama Paramadbhuta Rupashali रामात्मक परिलसन् परिपाहि विष्णु.
यां यां दिशं भजति किं पुरुषाख्यवर्षे संसेवितो हनुमता धृतभक्तिभाजा दृढभक्तिभा यां यां दिशं भजति किं पुरुषाख्यवर्षे संसेवितो हनुमता दृढभक्तिभाजा सीताभिराम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली रामात्मक परिरसन् परिपाहि विष्णो.
रामात्मक
यां यां दिशं भजति किं पुरुषाख्यवर्षे संसेवितो हनुमता दृढभक्तिभाजा सीताभिराम परमाद्भुतरूपशाली रामात्मक परिरसन् परिपाहि विष्णु.
9 श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसखः परिपाहि भूमन्. So now they're coming, further down to the Bharata Khanda Mukyam. So, but the region of Bharata, right? So, in that, Sri Naradena Saha, along with Sri Narada, Tvam Samupasyamanaha, you are now meditated. How? Sankhya Yoga Nutibihi. By the yoga and the Sankhya philosophy and the other yogas, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Jnana Yoga, the combination of those yoga systems and the Sankhya philosophy, you are being worshipped in this region along with Narada. Narayana Narasaka. So you are now in this with Narayana Nara as companion till Akalpa Kalamiha, till the end of Pralaya. Till the end of Pralaya, you are in this region. And please, O Lord of the universe, Bhuman Paripahi, please protect me. On Sadhu Janabhirakshi, you protect all the sadhu and all the nice, the good people, the virtuous people. So please help me also. So Sri Naradena Saha Bharata Khanda, next line Mukyai, next line வந்து is twamnu போட்டிருந்ததுனாக்கா Sanskritல or s போட்டிருந்ததுனாக்கா remove that is from the second line, make it Mukyaihi in the first line, put a visarga there, Mukyaihi, comma, next line remove that is of Tvam Sankhya Yoga Nutibihi irukum, anga put a s there because of the Samupasyamanaha. So Sankhya Yoga Nutibis Samupasyamanaha. Okay, Tvam Sankhya Yoga Nutibis Samupasyamanaha Akalpa Kalamiha Sadhu Janabhirakshi, comma, Narayano Narasakah Paripahi Bhuman. Just one correction on the first line. Sri Naradena Saha Bharata Khanda Mukyaihi Tvam Sankhya Yoga Nutibis Samupasyamanaha Akalpa Kalamiha Sadhu Janabhirakshi Narayano Narasakah Paripahi Bhuman.
श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुदिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसकः परिपाहि भूमन्. श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुदिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसकः परिपाहि भूमन्.
नारदेन सह श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः. Can you hear me?
No, something it's fading on now. Sometimes you're coming clear.
Wait 1 second. Okay. श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुजनाभिरक्षि नाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसक परिपाहि भूमन्.
Actually, it's not clear, madam, what you're using, which device you're using. It's fading in and out. Try it again. One time.
श्रीनारदेन सह भारतखण्डमुख्यैः त्वं साङ्ख्ययोगनुतिभिः समुपास्यमानः आकल्पकालमिह साधुज नाभिरक्षि नारायणो नरसक परिपाहि भूमन्.
Just a correction, guys. Sorry. In the third stanza, when we said, and the Dhyayami Dakshinagate Harivarsha Varsha, and the when we said Prahlada Mukhya Parishay, so that is actually Lord Narasimha. So I was wrong there. I said Narahari, Narayana Chone. That is wrong. That is third was Narasimha. This one is Narayana. Okay, so which is 9. So 10. प्लाक्षेर करूपमयि शाल्मल इंदुरूपम द्वीपे भजन्ति कुशनामनिवः निरूपम क्रौञ्चेम्बुरूपमतवायुमयं च शाके त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः. So okay, 10 that. Okay. So now in the Plaksha, in the region called as Plaksha, which now in the map la irukum the Plaksha region, in that you are worshipped in the form of Arka, in the form of sun. In the Shalmala region, you are worshipped in the form of Indu, which is moon. Dvipe, Kusha Dvipe, in the island called as Kusha, then people worship you in the form of Vahni, which is fire. In the Krauncha Deepam, they are worshipped in the form of Ambu, which is water. And then as wind in Shaka, Vayu Mayamcha Shake, in the region of Shaka, you are worshipped in the form of wind. And then in the Pushkara Namni Loka, in the region called as Pushkara, people worship you in the form of Twam Brahma Rupam, in the form of Brahma. So these various regions, how is the Lord worshipped in those various regions? So Plaksher, the first word in the Plaksherka. Okay, Plak Ikshir, so it will be kind of like PLAKSHERK, Plaksherka Rupamayi Shalmala Indurupam, comma Dvipe Bhajanti Kushanamani Vahni Rupam, half ha Vahni Rupam Kraunchembu Rupamata Vayumayam cha Shake Twam Brahma Rupamai Pushkara Namni Lokaha.
This Vanhi Rupam.
It's half ha and then a ni. So Vahni Rupam.
Oh, okay. No, the book says, in my book, both Sanskrit and Tamil says Vanhi. It has a half na and a he. So,
Half na and a he.
yeah.
Jayashree, உங்களோட bookல என்ன இருக்கு?
Exactly like what you said, Rajesh. நீங்க சொல்ற மாதிரி தான்.
Vahni Rupam, right?
Vahni Rupam. ஆமா.
Yeah. Yeah, all three references I have
That
say
makes
that
sense, right? Because it's Agni Rupam.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Yeah. So make it as Vahni Rupam, okay? Vahni.
Okay.
So
Rajesh, can you repeat the third and the fourth line again?
Okay, so Kraunchembu Rupam Ata Vayumayam cha Shake, comma Twam Brahma Rupamai Pushkara Namni Lokaha. Plaksher Karupamai Shalmala Indurupam Dvipe Bhajanti Kushanamani Vahni Rupam Kraunchembu Rupamata Vayumayam cha Shake Twam Brahma Rupamai Pushkaranam Nilokaha.
Rajesh, one question. Brahma Rupam Api or Brahma Rupam Mai?
Brahma Rupam Api.
Api, okay.
புக்ல மை
மையின் போட்டிருக்கு.
Oh, Brahma Rupam Mayin போட்டிருக்கா?
ஆமா.
என்னோட புக்ல அப்படிதான் போட்டுருக்கு.
Okay, yeah, the other book also has it. Let's just change it to Brahma Rupa Mayi, not Mapi. Okay. Okay, Brahma Rupam. Tvam Brahma Rupamayi Pushkaranam Nilokaha. Go ahead, Janaki.
Yeah. प्लाक्षेर्करूपमयि शाल्मलइन्दुरूपं द्वीपे भजन्ति कुशनामनिवह्निरूपं क्रौञ्चेम्बुरूपमदवायुमयं च शाके त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः प्लाक्षेर्करूपमयि शाल्मलइन्दुरूपं द्वीपे भजन्ति कुशनामनिवह्निरूपं क्रौचेम्बुरूपमदवायुमयं च शाके त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः
प्लाक्षेर्करूपमयि शाल्मलइन्दुरूपं द्वीपे भजन्ति कुशनामनि वानिरूपं
Vahniroopam.
वह्निरूपं क्रौञ्चेम्बुरूपमतवायुमयं च शाके त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि पुष्करनाम्नि लोकाः प्लाक्षेर्करूपमयि शाल्मलइन्दुरूपं द्वीपे भजन्ति कुशनामनि वह्निरूपं क्रौञ्चेम्बुरूपमतवायुमयं च शाके त्वां ब्रह्मरूपमयि पुष्करनाम्
Kashyap, romba idha irudhu. I think you may want to change, just go sit in the different room then. Okay. Yeah, because I can't hear you fading in and out. Okay, 11. Sarvai Druvadi Birudu Prakarair Grahaischa Pushchadikeshva Vayaveshva Bikhalpyamanaihi Tvam Shimshumara Vapusha Mahatam Upasyah Sandhya Surundi Narakam Mama Sindushayin. So Dhruva, the pole star Dhruva along with Udup Prakare is referring to the group of stars which are surrounding it. So Dhruva, Adibihi, and the Udup Prakare along with it, Grahai and all the planets, right? So these are all imagined or takes the shape or the form of the great fish Shinshumara. So that if you see in the sky, the Shinshumara, the shape of that fish Shinshumara in that form. So Mahatam, so you are now being meditated in that form when Sandhya is actually 3 times, right? One is in the morning, afternoon, and in the evening. So at all the 3 Sandhyas, you are meditated by the Mahatam, by the enlightened ones. So that person, Rundi Narakam Mama Narakam Rundi. So eradicate kind of all the hell that I'm going through or the sufferings that I'm going through. Please eradicate. You're worshipped in that form by the enlightened sages in all the 3 Sandhyas. So Sarvair Druvadi Birudu Prakarai. And the word is very difficult to break it because it is actually Sarvair Druvadi Bir Udu Prakarai Grahaischa. Okay, but you can't say it like that. You won't be able to say it individually like that. So you may want to say it as Sarvair Druvadi Birudu Prakarai. Birudu Prakarai. Try to say it that way. Sarvair Druvadi Birudu Prakarai Grahaischa. Pushchadi Keshva Vayavesh Vabikhalpyamanaihi. Pushchadi Keshva Vayavesh Vabikhalpyamanaihi. Tvam Shimshumara Vapusha Mahatam Upasyaha, Sandhyasu Rundi Narakam Mama Sindushayan. So this, let's try to say it slowly because it's very difficult to break it because of the way the sandhis are written. So you can't exactly break it.
Rajesh, and the second line on a repeat pandra.
Push ich Puchchadi Keshva Vayavesh Vabi Kalpyamanehi. Puchchadi Keshva Vayavesh Vabi Kalpyamanehi.
Thank you.
Okay. So I'll say it slowly here. Sarvair Druvadi Birudu Prakarai Grahaischa पुच्छादिकेष्ववयवेष्वभिकल्प्यमानैः त्वं शिंशुमारवपुषा महतामुपास्यः सन्ध्यासुरुन्धि नरकं मम सिन्धुषायिन्
सर्वै ध्रुवादिभिरुडु प्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च पुच्छादिकेष्व वायवेषु
No,
अभिकल्प्यमानैः
not Vayavesh. No, it's Vayaveshvabi. Because it's Vayaveshu, and then it's actually two different words there, but when you're saying it together, it becomes Vayaveshva.
वायवेष्व अभिकल्प्यमानैः.
Yeah, correct.
सर्वै ध्रुवादिभिरुडु प्रकरैर्ग्रहैश्च पुच्छादिकेष्व वायवेष्व
Vayaveshvabi.
Okay, there is no again. Okay, Vayaveshvabikalpamane.
Yeah, see, sorry, Janaki, so this is actually it's Puchadi Keshu plus Avayaveshu. It's two different words. Okay, so I don't know if your book has it as two different words.
It has.
Yeah, okay, that's the problem. So it's Puchadi Keshu Avayaveshu. Do you have those two words, right?
Right.
Yeah, I think when you say it together, I think it's getting merged as Puchadi Keshva Vayaveshva. It gets merged, that's right. But if you don't have it with you, then just say it like right now. I'll send you a picture. Which language you're using, Tamil or Sanskrit?
Tamil.
Okay. Hey, Sujata, உன்னோட book Tamil இருக்குல்ல உன்னோடல?
She has the same book as me.
Oh, is it? Okay.
I think so. I keep seeing the color when she says.
Okay, I'll send you in English, okay? For
Okay,
now, just
thank
say
you.
what you have. It is correct, but it is just breaking it in two different words, that's all.
Okay. Puchadikeshva Vayaveshva Vayaveshvabi Kalpamanehi.
Yeah, Vayaveshvabi Kalpyamanehi.
Okay. Vayaveshvabi Kalpyamanehi. Okay.
Right.
Sarvai Druvadi Birudu Prakaraigrahescha Puchadikeshva Vayaveshvabi Kalpamanehi.
Kalpya.
Kalpyamanehi Dvam Simshumara Vabusha Mahada Mupasyah Sandhya Surundi Narakam Mama Sindhu Shayin Sarvai Druvadi Birudu Prakarai Grahescha Puchadikeshva Vayaveshu Vabikalpyamanehi Tvam Shimsumara Vabusha Mahada Mupasyah Sandhya Surundi Narakam Mama Sindhu Shayin.
Rajesh? So the second line, Puchadi Keshva Vayavesh, na shoe kadayadre.
I think she's still saying that. I'll send her a text separately. Janaki, the second time you still said a shoe. First time you said it correctly.
Okay. Puchadikeshva Vayaveshva Kalpyamanehi.
Correct.
I have written that.
Yeah, that's
I'm
correct.
making mistake obviously because
yeah, okay, no worries. So
mostly.
as long as you have it correct, yeah. Kashyap.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Sarvai Druvadi Virudu Prakarai Vigrahescha.
Kashyap, illema. Either you have to come down or you have to change your thing. Kashyap, no.
Okay, I'll just join on my iPad, okay? Just give me 1 second. You can ask someone to say this paragraph.
Okay, Satya Chulri and continue.
Okay. Sarvai Druvadi Birudu Prakarai Grahescha Puchadikeshva Vayaveshva Vikalpyamanaihi Tvam Shimshumara Vapusha Mahatam Upasyah Sandhya Surundi Narakam Mama Sindhushayin Sarvai Druvadi Birudu Prakarai Grahescha Puchadikeshva Vayaveshva Vikalpyamanaihi Tvam Shimshumara Vapusha Mahatam Upasyah Sandhya Surundi Narakam Mama Sindhushayin.
Correct. So last stanza. This one.
Rajesh,
ஏய் ராஜேஷ் சாரி எனக்கும் நீ அப்போ கேட்டப்போ சொல்ல முடியல சாரி அந்த ஆடியோ 2 டபுள் மியூட் ஆயிருந்தது நீ என்ன கேட்டப்பே
இல்ல that's we figured it out. I think ஒன்னோட bookல வந்து I think like Janaki's book the second line is split, so you got to make sure it's not, you're not saying it split, you're saying it together.
Okay.
நாளைக்கு அப்புறம் வேணா மெசேஜ் பண்றேன் என்னன்னு.
third lineல ராஜேஷ் त्वं शिंशु मार தானே மர இல்லை மார
alright so start.
லக்ஷ்மி நான் மர சொன்னேனா
இல்ல நீ சத்யா இல்ல எனக்கு வந்து I thought it was மார நினைச்சேன் ஆனா மார கரெக்ட்.
ஓகே
Shimshumar, that's the name of the fish. So okay, 12. Pathala moola bhuvisheshatanum bhavantam lolaika kundala viraji sahasra shirsham neelambaram dritahalam bhujaganganabir jushtam bhaje haragadhan gurugehanatha. So now finally, after all these regions, right, finally Patala Moola Bhuvi, in the bottommost surface, in the Patala area, Shesha Tanum Bhavantam, Shesha, Adi Shesha, in the form, taking the body or form of Adi Shesha. How? Sahasra Shirsham, with 1,000 heads, and Lola Eka Kundala Viraji, with one earring which is shining and dangling, Neelambaram, wearing a blue garment, Drita Halam, so holding a plow. So this is Balarama, right? If you think of Balarama, Krishna yellow, Balarama wears blue, right? So the form of the Adishesha, Balarama is also Adishesha. So in the form of Adishesha in Patala Loka with 1,000 heads, but really wearing a blue garment with a plow in one hand, which is Balarama really. Bhujanganabi Jushtam, so worshipped by all the serpents and everything there. Guru Gehanatha, O Lord of Guruvayur, Haragadan, eliminate all my ailments and problems. So Patala Moola Bhuvi Sheshatanum Bhavantam, comma Lolaika Kundala Viraji Sahasra Shirsham. Lolaika Kundala Viraji Sahasra Shirsham. Then third and fourth say it together, so put a plus at the end of third line. Neelambaram Dritahalam Bhujaganganabir Jushtam, and the Ju on the Sanskrit on the Ju fourth line they'll have an ir sometimes, right? If you have it, anyway you say it together, it shouldn't matter. Bhujaganganabir Jushtam Bhaje Haragadan Guru Gehanatha. Patala moola bhuvisheshatanum bhavantam lolaika kundala viraji sahasra shirsham neelambaram dritahalam bhujaganganabir jushtam bhaje haragadan kurugehanatha.
Patala moola bhuvisheshatanum bhavantam lolaika kundala viraji sahasra shirsham Neelambaram Trudahalam Bhujaganganabirjushtam Bhaje Haragatan Gurugehanatha. Patala Moola Bhuvisheshatanum Bhavantam Lolaika Kundala Viraji Sahasra Shirsham Neelambaram Trudahalam Bhujaganganabirjushtam Bhaje Haragatan Gurugehanatha.
Patala Moola Bhuvisheshatanum Bhavantam Lolaika Kundala Viraji Sahasra Shirsham Neelambaram Dritahalam Bhujaganganabir Jushtam Bhaje Haragadan Gurugehanatha. Patala Moola Bhuvisheshatanum Bhavantam Lolaika Kundala Viraji Sahasra Shirsham Neelambaram Dritahalam Bhujaganganabir Jushtam Bhaje Haragadan Gurugehanatha.
Krishna Parabrahmane Namah. So there's one comment I read of Edikil only one earring, right? So the two earrings are referring to, one is the Sankhya system of philosophy, and the other earring is referring to the other yogas, Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga. So when the Lord took birth as Kapila, he was talking about that Sankhya already we discussed. So that is one earring. So in the Balaramawa irkumbodhu, it's the Adishesha is having the other earring, which are the Yoga Sutras. And then there's also a belief that Adishesha was then born as Patanjali, right, who wrote all the Yoga Sutras and everything. He detailed it. So that's why it's referring to having only one earring in this case. It's referring to that particular one. Okay, excellent. I think you guys are doing such a good job that we are able to finish it and have some time left. So let's move on to the next one. So number one, if you guys remember, I know we unfortunately had to do it in 3 slots. Like on the 27, we did it in the first batch. Then 28, which was the Lakshmi Kalyanam, we did it as the first chapter because that was Navaratri Modi, we wanted to do that. Now we're going to go to 29. So all 27, 28, 29 are all together stories, right? That's the churning of the ocean that was happening. So let's go to 29 today. We'll at least start. Let's see how much we can complete that. So 28, if you guys remember the last one, Taruna Ambuda Sundarastadhatvam Nanu Dhanvantariruddhitom Burashe Amrutam Kalashe Vahan Karabhyam Akilartim Haramarutalayesha. So at the end of 28, the Lord was coming out of the ocean in the form of Dhanvantari and was holding the Amrita Kalasham, was holding the pot of nectar. That's how we ended 28. So 29 is actually Mohini Avataram, right? So Mohini Avataram is also another important Avataram, like we said, but which generally is not considered in the top 10. The Mohini Avataram, actually there were like three purposes, right? 3 reasons. One of them was in the fight between the Asuras and the Devas that is happening for this Amritam. So that fight is resolved and taken care by Mohini. That was number 1 purpose. Then the second purpose of Mohini was to go kill Bhasmasura, right? And the Bhasmasura, he had the power where if anybody he touches, right, that person becomes into ashes. So Mohini then goes and destroys Bhasmasura by making him touch his own head. That's not covered in this chapter, but I'm just telling the purpose of the second. And the third thing of Mohini was the union of Mohini and Shiva resulted in Ayyappa being born, right? So the birth of Ayyappa, that was another main reason for Mohini to be born, because to kill that Mahishi and everything else that was there, it required the strength of both Vishnu and Shiva. So that's how Lord Ayyappa was born. So those were the 3 reasons or 3 purposes for Mohini to come. But in the chapter 29, the Bhattacharya part is only dealing with the first portion of Mohini, and then the second one, he doesn't quite go to the point where Ayyappa is born, but just stops just right before that. Okay, so let's do 29. Udgachyatastava amrutam haratsu daiteshu thana sharanananuniya devan sadhyastiro dhadita deva babat prabhavat udyat swayutya khalaha diticha babubuhu. So the story is pretty interesting, in this. So Udgachyatavaha. So you now are coming out of the ocean, right, in the form of Dhanvantari. So the moment, so in the last 2 chapters we've been waiting, right, for the Asuras have also been waiting patiently to see when is this nectar going to come. So finally the nectar is coming. Udgachyatavaha, coming from the ocean. The moment that comes, Daityeshu, the Asuras, what do? Is Kharat Amrutam Haratsu. So from your hand, they immediately, the Asuras go and Haratsu, they go and kind of snatch away the nectar, right? So now, when the moment Asuras done this, even the Devas have been waiting for this for all this time, and all the churning was happening. So to that Asharanan Devan, to those helpless Devas, they didn't know what to do. The Lord gave solace, and then what happened was Sadhya Thirodita, the Lord consoled the Devas, then he suddenly disappeared. Right, the Lord just disappeared from there. The Dhanvantari who came with the pot suddenly disappeared. So then, when that happened, right, Diticha Babuhu, among the Asuras, Udyat Swayutya Kalaham, a fight started, a quarrel started amongst the Asuras as to now who's going to have this nectar, and if they started fighting amongst themselves. So that is the stanza 1. So Udgaccha tastava karat amritam haratsu. Udgaccha tastava karat amritam haratsu, comma. Daityeshu tan asharanan anuniya devan. 3 words, but you can try to say it together also. Tan asharanan anuniya devan. Sadyas thirodhaditha deva babat prabhavat. So next line la vandu dur irundadunaka, you make it babat prabhavat in the third line, put a comma. And next line is udyat, make it u. Udyat swa yutya kalaha ditija babuvuhu. Udyat swa yutya kalaha ditija babuvuhu. Udgachyatastava amrutam haratsu dhaiteshu tana sharanananuniya devan sadyastiro dhadita deva bhavat prabhavat udyat swayutya kalaha ditija babuvuhu.
Udgachyatastava amrutam haratsu Daityeshu tana sharanan anuniya devan satyatirodita tirodatita.
Yeah.
Satyatirodatita deva bhavat prabhavat udyat swayutya kalaha didija babuhu.
It's a small tha, so ditija babuvuhu.
Ditija babuhu.
Babuvuhu.
Buhu, okay.
Babuvuhu.
Not who, okay.
Yeah.
Udgachyatastava amritam haratsu daityeshu tana sharanan anuniya devan satyatirodadita deva bhavat prabhavat udyat swayutya kalaha ditija babuhu.
So on the second line, Janaki, Anuniya, you are saying as Anuniya, you are saying. It's not the big na, it's a small na. Anuniya.
Anuniya.
Yeah.
Okay. Want me to repeat it?
No, that's fine. You got it. Kashyap.
Udgachyatastava karad amritam haratsu daityeshu tana sharanan anuniya devan sadyastiro dadita deva bhavat prabhavat udyat swayutya kalaha ditija babuvuhu. Babuvuhu. Udgachyatastava karad amritam haratsu Daityeshu tana sharanan anuniya devan sadyastiro dadita deva bhavat prabhavat udyat swayutya kalaha ditija babuvuhu.
Second. Shyamham ruchapi vachasapi thanum tadhanim prapto situnga kucha mandala bhanguram tvam piyusha kumbha kalaham parimuchya sarve trishna kula pratiyayus tvaduroja kumbe. So this is the actual Mohini avatar coming or happening, right? So Thanum Tadani. So the Lord then took a form of Shyama. Shyama means like a beautiful lady, right? Or a young youthful maiden. So Shyama. So the Lord then took the form of beautiful maiden. Ruchapi Vayasapi. So it was beautiful, and youthful. So by both the looks, the complexion, as well as the Vayasa, also the age. So it was a youthful maiden. And then the moment the Mohini came there, Parimuchya Sarve, so all the asuras who were fighting in the previous one, they suddenly stopped all the fighting, right? They stopped the fighting, and then Kalaham Piyusha Kumbha, so they stopped fighting for that pot of nectar, and then immediately approached Pratiyayuhu Tvam, so they approached you, O Lord, Trishna Kula, so they were infatuated by looking at Mohini. And then they approached the Lord, and they completely forgot about all the quarrel, and also forgot about the nectar pot as well. So Shyamam Ruchapi Vachasapi thanum tadanim vayasapi shyamam ruchapi vayasapi thanum tadanim comma praptosi tunga kucha mandala bhanguram tvam praptosi tunga kucha mandala bhanguram tvam piyusha kumbha kalaham parimuchya sarve comma trishna kulaf because it's a visarga there trishna kulaf pratiyayus twaduroja kumbe pratiyayus twaduroja kumbe shyamam ruchapi vayasapi tanum tadhanim praptosi tunga kucha mandala bhanguram tvam piyusha kumbha kalaham parimuchya sarve trishna kula pratiyayus twaduroja kumbhe
श्यामां रुचाभिवयसाभितनुं तदानीं प्राप्तोऽसि तुङ्गकुचमण्डलभङ्गुरां त्वं पीयूषकुम्भकलहं परिमुच्य सर्वे तृष्णाकुलाप्रदिययुस्त्वदुरोज कुम्भे श्यामां रुचाभिवयसाभितनुं तदानीं प्राप्तोऽसि तुङ्गकुचमण्डलभङ्गुरां त्वं पीयूषकुम्भकलहं परिमुच्य सर्वे तृष्णाकुलाप्रदिययुस्त्वदुरोजकुम्भे
श्यामां रुचापि वयसापि तनुं तदानीं प्राप्तोऽसि तुङ्गकुचमण्डलभङ्गुरां त्वं पीयूषकुम्भकलहं परिमुच्य सर्वे तृष्णाकुलाप्रतियुस्तदुरोजकुम्भे
pratiyayus
प्रतिययुस् श्यामां रुचापि वयसापि तनुं तदानीं प्राप्तोऽसि तुङ्गकुचमण्डलभङ्गुरां त्वं पीयूषकुम्भकलहं परिमुच्य सर्वे तृष्णाकुलाप्रतिययुस्त्वदुरोजकुम्भे.
So we'll stop it here. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam kaladeshavadebhyam nirmuktam nityamuktam nigamashatasahasrena nirbhasyamanam aspashtam drishtamatre punarurupurushartatmakam brahmatattvam tattavadbhati sakshat guru pavanapure hanta bhagyam janaha कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.